When I first came here to RBI, I was a plumber helper, and now I'm a pipe fitter welding helper. No matter how much you know, when you come here, they will train and help you learn. Everybody looks out for each other to make sure you can learn and get the job done successfully.
At RBI, when I first started, everybody helped me out, and they gave me all the training that I needed. And I done moved up into a level B mechanic in plumbing right now, and it's going good for me.
I am a sheet metal tech at RBI. I'm a mechanic B. I came here not knowing anything, and my supervisor, he likes to help me out, point me in the right direction. Just seeing how good my supervisor is, I see how he does measurements, how he takes care of things. That pushes me further to be just like him. Trying to take my classes through MTC. I'm trying to get my journeymans and all that.
We do go the extra mile to pay the training, we pay for the books, we pay for the renewal of certification, we pay for the certification application, the continuing ed. This is a very valuable benefit that you just don't get everywhere. I think our commitment to training and safety says that we always want to grow as a company, and we want to make sure our employees grow as part of the company, and they are what runs our company.
RBI has gave me the opportunity of cross-training between copper, PVC, cast iron, all different types of pipe. But the cross-training, I can go help other crews figure out what they need and get it done.
At RBI, I've learned that just bring a good work ethic, and the older guys will show you every step of the way. Ask as many questions as you can, because that will show that you want to be here and want to learn how to do it better.
I've learned a lot of different ways on shaping duct. I've learned a lot on teamwork. That's a big thing that I've learned. And then I've learned that everyone here is family. It's a nice job to have family.
It's important for employees to know that we do go the extra mile. We invest in their growth, and if they don't know something, we're always willing for them to learn if they're willing and motivated to do so.